Okay, so it's 9 o'clock. So let's start kahit konti lang tayo. Alright, so once again, this is Choreography. It's a free let review hub. So pag gusto niyo ng daily mock boards, free din po 'yon. Mag-message lang kayo sa ating Blue app. Okay, yon. And then, of course, lagi namang free yung ating live lecture. Yan, so Tuesdays, Guro Grabe, mga high-yield gen ed questions, thematic siya. And then Thursdays, alternate na intensive review ng Gen Ed at saka Prof Ed. So last week, natapos na natin yung Gen Ed, yung mga lumabas noong March 2026. So recorded po yon, andun na po, na-post na po yung video. Alright, and Saturdays, social science majorship. Although paid yon, pero I share partially. Okay, yan. Para sa mga nagse-self-review. Okay. Alright, so let's start. Sagot kayo nga. Yan. So, Gen Ed Math tayo. Alright? So, let's get ready. Okay, so who is known as the father of modern mathematics? Tingnan ko nga kung may... Yan, dapat alam nyo to. Okay? Who is known as the father of mathematics? Sabihin nyo sa akin kung wala kayong maisip and then, ayun, appeal approved tayo. Yan. Sabihin nyo sa akin kung wala kayong maisip. Okay, so sino? Yan. Si ano ba yan? Modern mathematics. Okay, si Archimedes ba yan? Or si René Descartes? Okay. Alright. Aba, may sumagot before yung aking clue. Okay, ang talino. Okay, very good. Yeah, so it is René Descartes. Okay, yan. Okay, or ang ano naman, father of mathematics naman si Archimedes. Alright? Okay, good job kayo dyan. Number two, ito, what is the volume of a rectangular prism with length 10 centimeter, width 5 centimeter, and height 4 centimeter? Okay, so lagi po tong rectangular prism na to. Actually, ang lumalabas is yung aquarium. Okay, so hindi ko na linagay yon para hindi nyo ma-memorize, okay? So, linagay ko lang to para malaman nyo kung ano yung ano niya, how do you call that? Formula niya. All right? So, what is the volume of a rectangular prism with length 10 centimeter, width na 5 centimeter, and height 4 centimeter? Okay? Kasi, ang ang formula niya is length times width times height. Okay, so madali na lang yan. 10 times 5 times 4. Okay, so kailangan nyo lang i-memorize yung ano niya, ang kanyang formula. Okay, so meron ba? Mata-mata? Mata-mata? 10 times 5. Magkano po yun? 10 times 5. Magkano po yun? 10 times 5 is 50 times 4. Ayun, naalis na yung visibility restriction natin. So, hopefully, aba, wala. Grabe kayo ha. Ayaw yung ha. Ayaw yung magmata-mata ha. Okay. So, alright. So, ang answer niyan ay 200. Okay. Ang laging lumalabas dyan is yung aquarium na 480. Okay. Cubic centimeter. Okay. Yan. But, wag kayong masanay sa ganun kasi malay nyo, palitan yung ano. So, i-memorize nyo lang pag volume, length times width times height. Okay. Alright, sabi ni JC Quevillas, 200. Good job. Alright. Number 3. What is the area of a rectangle with length 3 and then width 4? Okay, ngayon naman, ito naman ay area. Kung kanina ay volume, ito naman ay area. Okay. So, dalawa lang naman yung given dyan. So, pwede nyo nang hulaan. Okay? Grabe naman. Bakit naman tayo umabot sa 12 million million? Alright, so what is the area of a rectangle with length and width? Okay, very good. Yes, so the answer there is 12. Kasi ang area ng rectangle is length times width. Okay, good job kayo dyan. Okay, so yan, screenshot nyo na lang to. Okay, pag area ng triangle, ito ang formula. Pag square, ito yung formula. Okay, sides raised to the second power. Pag rectangle, length times width. Tapos pag parallelogram, it's base times height. Okay, screen capture nyo na lang to or kapag kasi ganito yung ginagawa ko dati, sinulat ko talaga lahat yung mga basic na formula. Okay, lahat yon and then inaral ko. Yan. Kaya naman, okay ako sa math. Okay. Number 4, what do you call a number? Ito, gasgas talaga to. What do you call a number that has exactly two factors? One and itself, sabi niya. What grade po, ma'am? This is for let po. This is for let. Yan. Pero Gen Ed to, General Education to, so magagamit mo anywhere. Okay, yan. Kahit sa CSE. Yan. Alright, so what do you call a number that has exactly two factors? One and two. One and itself. Sabi niya. Okay, ang galing-galing nyo. Yes, and the answer there is prime number. Very good. Sige, ito pa, lumabas din to. Ano yung lowest na prime number? Sige po, ano yung lowest na prime number? What do you call, bakit may cube? Okay, so that's, the answer there is prime number. Ngayon, ito naman ang sagot. Ano yung lowest? Sure ba kayo na 1? Tignan nyo, sabi niya 1 and itself. Sabi niya, 1 and itself. Alright, very good. Yes, the answer is 2. Kasi yung 1 lang ang niya, ang factor niya, 'di ba? So the lowest is 2. Okay, lumalabas din po 'yun sa mga mock boards. Yan. So if you are vying for sa top sa mga mag-top ng mga pre-board, yung mga ganun. Okay, so memorize niyo to. Right? Number 5. What do you call a number divisible by 2? Yan. What do you call a number divisible by 2? Ayan, nung nakakita naman ng ating viewers. Pag nalis na yung ating visibility restriction, oo, okay na to. Alright. Ay, ay, parang mali yung sinulat ko. Okay, tama kayo, tama kayo. Alright. Yes, so the answer should be even number. Okay, so mali ako. Odd nga pala yung, parang naalala ko bigla. Okay, yeah, so it is even. Yes, kasi odd is 135. Okay, so nagkamali lang yung aking na-input. Okay, so that is even number. Okay, good job kayo dyan. Ako ang hindi good job. Alright. Okay, so guys, ito ang ating ito ay ang Gurography ay free let review hub. Okay, so gusto niyo mag-backboard everyday, mag-message lang po kayo sa Blue App. Okay, yan. What is the value of pi approximately? Yan. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Ang galing-galing nyo. Alright. Nakalimutan ko na. Oh my God, ang galing ko. Okay, ayun na naman tayo. Na visibility restriction na naman tayo. Okay. Alright. Ganun talaga pag hindi masyadong nagla-live. Yan. Okay. Guys, paki-follow nyo na lang ako kasi pag nagkaka-visibility restriction, pag hindi kayo naka-follow sa akin, nag-iitim yung screen. Yan. So, pwedeng makalimutan nyo kung ano to. Okay. So, kindly follow me, please. Alright. Ganyan. Okay. And of course, the answer there is 3.14 blank, 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 blank. Okay. Good job. Lagi ako late. Oy. Okay lang, nag-aantay naman ako ng konti. Alright, number 7. Okay, ito talaga hindi nawawala. Kahit nung June 2025 lumabas to, okay? Luckily, minemorize ko talaga yung nito. Sabi ko nga, mahilig ako mag-memorize ng formula. A circle is perfectly inscribed inside a square with a side length of 14 centimeter. What is the area of the circle? Okay? Yan. So, ipakita ko na sa inyo. Okay, yan. So, ganito yung niya. Ito yung formula niya. Ang formula niya is pi times radius raised to the second power. Okay? Pero ang sabi niya dito, a circle is perfectly inscribed inside a square with a side length of 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter from here to here. Yan. Ang kailangan mo, radius. Okay, so kayo na, gamitan nyo ng critical thinking yan. Okay? And then, ang sagot ay meron ng pi. Okay? Andyan na yung pi na symbol. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na kailangang i-compute yung 3, hindi nyo na kailangang i-multiply by 3.14. Okay? Hindi nyo na i-multiply by 3.14. Okay? Yan. So, linagay ko talaga yun para ma-imagine nyo to. Okay? Ma-imagine nyo to. Sabi niya, side length niya ay 14 centimeter. Yan. So, ganyan. May linyang ganyan dito. Ano ba yung tawag dito? Sige nga po, ano po yung tawag dito? Yung line na na kino-cross niyo yung circle. Sige nga po. Sige, sige muna para pakonti-konti natin. Yung mga galing sa math, ano magtiyaga po tayo, okay? Para po to sa mga may dyscalculia. Okay? Ano yung tawag niya? Okay, yan. Alright. So, diameter. Okay, yan. Hatiin mo siya, di ba? Hatiin mo siya. Kasi nga, ang hinahanap lang ay radius. Okay, so hatiin mo yung 14. And that is why yung radius will be 7. Okay, 7. Guys, sinabi ko na doon sa nakalagay na yung pi. Nakalagay na yung pi doon. Okay, na symbol. Ibig sabihin nun, yung radius raised to the second power, hindi mo na siya i-multiply by 3.14. Okay, very good kayo dyan. And that is why the answer there is 49. Okay, kasi andun na yung pi na symbol. Okay, nagets nyo po ba? Kung bakit 49? Kung bakit hindi po i-multiply sa 3.14? Kasi sa andun na po yung symbol na pi. Okay, kung wala, o i-multiply nyo by 3.14. Naku, bagsak tayo sa 20 na viewers kasi na-restrict na naman tayo. Alright, ito naman, simplify, 15, 45. Okay, 15 is to 45. Ito. Okay, opo ma'am. Ang bait. Alright, okay. Bakit po 49? Kasi sabi ko lang guys, balikan nyo na lang po yung video, okay? Yan, kasi ka-explain ko lang. Alright, simplify, marami pong simplification. I think sa amin yung time is dalawa. Yan na simplification. Yan. Pero may kasama yung mga XXX. Pero syempre, this is basic. Okay? Yan. Simplify. Yes, okay, very good. Yes, so that is 1 is to 3. Ano ba yan? Bakit 3 is to 5 bilig? Yes, 1 is to 3. Sorry, yes. Kasi 15 yung common factor niya. Lasing ata ako nung naano ko to. Okay, yeah, so this is 1 is to 3. All right. Good job. Number 9. Which branch of mathematics deals with the symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols to solve equations? Okay, yan. All right, so which branch of mathematics deals with symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols to solve equations? Okay, yan. Ano po? Eto? Okay, very good kayo dyan. Yes, alright. So the answer here is, okay, na-approve yung ating appeal. Pawala ng pawala. Okay, hindi tayo nakikita. Alright, so the answer there is algebra. Yung lumabas nung September 2026 is, ano yung application ng algebra? Okay, ano yung application ng algebra? Ang sagot nun is, budgeting. Okay, yan. So napalabas ko po kung nag-ano kayo, hanapin niyo yung mga videos ko sa YT. Yan yung may mga title na actual yan. So lahat may mga actual questions ako na lumabas noong June 2026, may September, June 2025, September 2025, and November 2025. Okay? All right, number 10. What is the perimeter of a square with a side length of 5? Okay, yan. So, dyan nagkakalituan dati yung area at saka perimeter. Okay? Yan. What is the perimeter of a square with a side length of 5? So, alam naman natin yung perimeter, di ba? Yan. Yung perimeter, yung buong, ano niya, how do you call that? Yung sakop niya doon sa ano, okay, yung mga side length niya. Okay? Yes, and the answer there is okay, very good kayo dyan. Yes, so the answer there is, of course, 20. Okay, kasi ang perimeter of a square is apat yung side niya, di ba? So, i-times mo yung apat at yung 4 na sides niya with yung length nung side. Okay, yan. So, it is 20. Bakit naging 25 na? Okay, that's 20, guys. Okay, yan. Alright? Number 11, ito lumabas ito nung exam namin, June 2025. Which branch of mathematics focuses on shapes, sizes, angles, and the properties of space? Okay, yan. So, which branch of mathematics focuses on shapes, sizes, angles, and the properties of space? Okay, yes. So, lumabas po to nung June 2025 SPLE namin, Gen Ed. And of course, the answer there is geometry. Okay, ang galing-galing nyo. Okay, good job kayo, John. Number 12, what do you call the point where edges meet? Okay, yan. So, halimbawa, may shape, tapos nagmi-meet yung mga edges niya. Okay. Sige nga po. Yan. So, what do you call the point where edges meet? Okay? Hindi, sa ano po tayo? How do you call that? Sa shapes. Yan. Sa shapes po yan. It starts with letter V. Okay. Vogue. Starts with the letter V, guys. Do you have any idea? Starts with the letter V. V, V, V. Okay, very good. Okay, so mayroon na tayong okay. Alright, so may isang tumama. Okay, yes, vertices or the vertex. Okay, yan. So ito syempre alam na natin edge, tapos ito yung face, yan yung flat surface, and then yung vertex. Ito, oh, dito. Okay? Alright. Number 13, what do you call the result of addition? Yan, okay? What do you call the result of addition? Good evening po. Good evening then. Good evening also. So, follow kayo sa Blue App para makapag-Macboard kayo everyday. Free naman po yon. Okay. What do you call the result of addition? Sige nga po. Sum. Sabi niya. Okay, good job kayo dyan. And of course, the answer there is sum. Okay, sige. Tingnan natin. Maglaro tayo. Sige. So, number 1, addition. Okay, and of course, the answer there is sum. Okay, yan na. Oops, ganyan. How about subtraction naman, guys? Okay, so subtraction naman, is it quotient, product, or difference? Okay. Is it quotient, product, or difference? Yun. Okay, difference. You can put the letter lang. It's okay. You can put the letter lang. D, sabi nila. D for difference. Okay, ang galing-galing nyo. Very good. Yes, and the answer here is difference. Okay, good job. Okay, na-appreciate ko kayo na nagtatagal kayo sa ganito. It will pay off. Okay, I'm telling you. Mahilig akong mag-ano din dati. Kaya ako nag-top Nax. Yabang yarn. Okay, multiplication naman. Multiplication. Ano yung sagot? Andyan dalawa na lang na iniwan. Quotient or product? Okay, so multiplication, naiwan na lang. Quotient ba yan or product? Okay, is it A or B? A or B? A or B? Okay, good job kayo dyan. Yes, and the answer there is product. Okay, very good. And of course, that leaves, pag division na is quotient. Okay, di ba? Very basic. Okay, good job. Yan. So, sa Thursday pala, inaayos ko na. Ito, we have 22 points. Okay, sa Thursday. Prof. Ed, yung mga lumabas na, nung March 2026. Okay, ito naman. Number 14, what do you call a triangle with all equal sides? Yan. O, naku, laging lumalabas to. Okay, what do you call? Okay, a triangle with all equal sides. Minsan binabaliktad nila. Sabi niya, a blank triangle, tapos has, tapos letter A. Yeah, equal angle, equal sides. Ganun, binabaliktad po talaga yan. Alright? And, ang galing-galing nyo naman. Yeah, so the answer here is, yes, it's equilateral triangle. Okay, good job. Okay, so ang lumalabas minsan is, what is the characteristic of equilateral, which is a characteristic of equilateral triangle? And then ang sagot niyan ay it has equal sides, all right? Number 15. Who is sometimes called the greatest might have been in mathematics. Okay, laging lumalabas to sa mock board. Yan. So kung you are vying for top sa mga pre-board din ng mga review centers nyo, dapat alam nyo to. Okay, so who is sometimes called the greatest might have been in mathematics. Okay. Yan. Yes, it's Gen Ed. Gen Ed math to. Mga high yield sa math. Okay, may idea ba kayo? Yan. Kung sino? Reveal na ba natin? Rene Descartes, good job. Al-Khwarizmi, father of algebra. Okay, at least meron kayong meron kayong sinasagot, di ba? Okay, so let's reveal, all right? So the answer here is si Blaise Pascal. Okay, yan. So, greatest might have been siya kasi he could have, okay, kasi ang tali-talino daw niya, and then he could have discovered calculus, but then he turned to religion or philosophy, okay? Yan. Si Euclid, hindi. Si Euclid, okay? Yan. Alright. Ang lumalabas kay Euclid also is yung libro niya na Element. Lumalabas din po yun sa Macboard, okay? Element. Number 16, what do you call a polygon with 5 sides? Yan, ito, common to. What do you call a polygon with 5 sides na number 16? Alright. Sabi niya, pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. Okay. Alright. Kaya nga ang tawag doon sa sa US is pentagon, di ba? Okay, good job kayo dyan. The answer there is pentagon. Okay, ayan. So, i-screenshot nyo po to or i-post ko na lang. Post ko na lang tong mga post ko mamaya. Tong mga nagamit nating how do you call that? Nagamit nating infographics, okay? All right. Number 17, what do you call a three-dimensional solid with a 6 equal square faces? Ito talaga. Lagi ding lumalabas to. Yan. What do you call a three-dimensional solid? Okay? 3D shape siya with 6 equal square faces. Okay. Yan. Ang example nito ay die. Okay, yan. Triangular prism. Okay. All right. Okay, Q, hexagon, hexagon. Hexagon, di naman yan, All right, of course, yes. So the answer there is cube. Okay, good job kayo dyan. All right, not hexagon. Hexagon can be 2D, di ba? Kasi sides lang ang pinag-uusapan pag sa hexagon. Okay, good job kayo dyan. Number 18. Yan, what is the simple interest on 1,000 at 5% per year? For a year. Ayan. Type pa kunyari. Ang galing. Type pa kunyari. Nakuloko. Alright, yan. I-memorize nyo po to. Interest is PRT. Dapat marunong din po kayong mag-derive ng formula from the mother formula. Okay, interest is PRT. Okay, so dapat alam nyo, halimbawa, pag principal ang kinukuha, alam nyo mag-manipulate dun sa mother formula. Alright? IPRT, interest is principal na 1,000 times rate na 5% times time. Ginawa ko ng easy yung time niya, 1 year lang. Okay? Alright, so the answer there is 50. Yes, 50 lang, guys. Okay? Pero, ang lumalabas minsan sa sa mga Macboards and sa LET is, months. Months yung nilalagay nila di bale, sa next time yun ang gawin natin, okay? Months lang. Okay, so pag months lang yung nilagay na time, syempre, kung halimbawa sabi niya 3 months, 3 divided by 12, okay? Yan. All right, number 19. What do you call a number that has more than two factors? Okay, prime number or composite number? Yan. So what do you call a number that has more than two factors? Prime number or composite number? Tuwang-tuwa si VX kasi ano eh, tama siya eh. Yabang yarn. Yabang yarn. Okay, grabe yung pagka-restrict natin. Hanggang set 19 na lang tayo. Alright, okay, very good. Yes. And guys, nakalagay na ngayon, prime number or composite. Bakit may sumagot pa ng whole? Okay. Alright, pagpipilian mo na nga lang. Pagpipilian mo na nga lang, mahal ka o mahal mo. Tapos iba pa yung sinagot mo. Ay, nako, loko, loko. Alright, so of course, yan. Yan. Okay, so yes. So the answer there is composite number. Yan. So for example, 6. 6 has four factors. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay. Joke lang, Mabs. Okay, it's okay, all right? Maganda nga pag ano, may gusto ko laging tumatawa. Yan na naman tayo. Na-restrict na naman tayo. Bahala ka, okay? So, tsagain nyo lang guys ha, kasi lagi tayo nare-restrict. So, always follow nyo ako. Okay. Who is known as the father of geometry? All right, geometry dash daw. Who is known as the father of geometry or geometry, perhaps? Sino? Okay. So sa Thursday, Prof. Ed na tayo, okay? 22 points tayo. Pero alam niyo naman kung hindi kayo bago sa sa geography, marami tayong mga bonus question. Okay, yan. Okay, sino? Euclid. Yan, tap tayo guys para sa engagement ni ma'am. Oh, thank you so much. You're so sweet. Yes, kasi lagi tayo nare-restrict eh. Ganito yung bago yung account ko, nare-restrict. Talagang hanggang 12 lang yung nanonood. Pero muntik na akong mag-give up. Yan, kasi halos every minute nare-restrict dati. Alright, so bumalik na naman tayo. Euclid of Alexandria. Ala! Ang yabang ah. Okay, very good. So the answer there is Euclid. Okay, good job. Okay, so maraming salamat sa nagtyaga na 25 people. Yan, so i-follow nyo po ako para kahit nare-restrict tayo at nag-iitim yung ano, mababalikan nyo ako. Okay? Kayo man lang bumalik. Ay, char. Okay, so yan, so yung sa gusto mag-free Macboards, daily Macboards, mag-message kayo sa Blue App. Okay? And then ibibigay ko po sa inyo yung link ng GC. Okay? Alright, so thank you. Maraming salamat. And sa Thursday ulit po tayo, Prof. Ed. Alright? Okay, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Na... Ay, hindi ko pala